Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Kara Dosa and Kara Appam. For that I am taking half cup of normal rice and half cup of Idli rice. So totally we have taken 1 cup of rice, and according to the spice requirement you can add the chilies. Here I have taken 3 red chilli and I will be adding 1 or 2 green chilli also while grinding. This wash and soak it for 5 to 6 hours. And now we need urad dal. Now urad dal I have taken quarter cup. That is the ratio is 4:1. Now here we have taken only 1 cup of rice, so the urad dal is quarter cup. If you are taking 2 cups of rice, put half cup of urad dal. If you are taking 3 cups of rice, then 3/4 cup of urad dal. If you are taking rice 1/4 cup, then 1 cup of urad dal. Now we will wash and soak this for 5 to 6 hours. Then we'll grind it separately and mix it together. Then rest of the items what is required I'll tell you. We need coconut. Either you can grate the coconut and put it in the batter, or you can make bits of the coconut and put it in the batter. Then you need chana dal soaked for 3 to 4 hours. Drain the water and add to the batter while preparing the appam. For the dosa you don't have to put the chana dal. The batter is ready here. Now here I have taken 1 handful of chana dal. I'll soak this. Now for the dosa you have to add the coconut grated. For the appam, either you can add the grated coconut or the coconut bits along with the chana dal. For dosa you don't have to add the chana dal. Now keep it for fermentation 8 to 10 hours. In the appam batter I am adding chopped green chilli, curry leaves, bits of coconut and the soaked chana dal. We'll mix everything. In this I am adding a little bit of asafoetida in this. Mix this well. On normal days you can add chopped onion in this or chopped vegetables as you wish. If you are making it on auspicious day, then you can skip it. The oil is hot here. Pour the batter.
Send me the relevant Twitter link. What do you think of it? For example, if I check Chana,
it turns automatically, see. While pouring the batter, keep the flame on high and afterwards reduce it, otherwise the inside portion will not be cooked. Outside it will become crisp very fast. Just poke it and see with a knife or a skewer, and if it comes out clean, the inside portion is cooked well. It's ready to remove. We'll pour the second batch. You can reduce the batter if you want. So our Kara Appam is ready here to serve along with chutney. Preparing Kara Dosa. Oil or ghee, whatever you want, you can put it. Coconut chutney is ready here to serve it along with it. It's really tasty, and you will love to make this. If you rub it with the onion, the dosa will not stick to the tawa. Another tip is this spatula you can dip in water while flipping the dosa.